I don't care anymore about things I used to know. It's much harder now.
What's up, guys? Sean, Redbeard, here on another job. Gotta take down this big old birch tree back here behind the house. We did a little bit of lawn reclamation here yesterday, and there'll be some before and after pictures somewhere on the page, but there it is right there. Get this thing to focus. That's it. Threatening this house right here, so we're gonna set it down on the lawn. And got the 460, the chainsaw, got my forestry helmet, set up our phone in my custom little phone stand here. We'll knock this bad boy down. It's all right, stick with us. All right, got the saw, got a couple wedges and a sledge, but we ain't gonna need it. So go tip this bad boy over.
Looking up at the peak, but it's never been so steep. Let's try to make it now. And I know it's done, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it, but could I do it? No, I wish I could. Make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first.
All right, that's a big tree. It's only gonna get bigger, so we just decided to take it down. Check out that wedge right there. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Not too bad. I think that went right where I said it was gonna go. Anyways, need any big trees tipped over at your house? Give me a call. It's chainsaw certified, diesel mechanic, drone pilot. I'll even take a picture of your house while I'm there. Anyways, Redbeard, appreciate you for watching. Catch you later.
Could I do it? No, I wish I could.
All right, last little bit of the job here. Called them the big boys. We're just gonna get that thing loaded up. So, no sense in messing around here. We might as well just put it in the truck.
Makes the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would